Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Kapitus account. Follow these steps to enable it. Step 1. Log into your Kapitus account. Start by visiting the Kapitus website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security settings option. Click on it to access various security features, including the option for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the two-factor authentication option. Toggle it on and follow the prompts to set it up, which may include linking your mobile device or using an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up 2FA, make sure to confirm any changes and save your settings. You may receive a verification code to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Kapitus account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.